Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you see here in this video, there's a big table, and also at my background, my age, 30. Yes, I'm proud of it. So guys, today in this video, I will be unboxing my gifts from my sister. So here it is. Ta-da! So guys, I will be unboxing my 3 gifts from my sister. So I have here the smallest gift, medium gift, and the biggest gift. So first, I will be unboxing this small gift. Actually guys, this is ordered online because it is locked down here in Cambodia. So we ordered it online, and this is from Dola Mall. So let's open the first gift. Here it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can see here, this is a smartphone LED fill light. So I think this is for a selfie light. It's nice. Let's open it. Open down. So here it is. Very cute. So cute. Oh my god, why is it so small? And it has a charger here. A charger. Let's try it. So I have a cell phone here. Maybe this is for a selfie light. How does... Okay, let's try. Oh, this is how I do it. How to turn this on. How to turn this on? I don't know. Maybe it needs to be charged first. Oh, here. Maybe it's something like this. This is a light for a selfie, something like that. But I don't know how to turn this on. So this is a beauty phone LED fill light. Using function, so this is using function, description, short press, power and color selection. Press to adjust, click USB charging port, charge non-battery, full light, power up. Product. So I don't know how to use this first, but I will just study it first because I don't know, maybe it will be connected here and plug it in the charger. So I think that's how to do it. But it is so nice because it is very useful for the selfie like this. So you can selfie in the dark place, I think so. So this is my first gift, a selfie LED light smartphone. That's it. But I don't know really how to do this. Later I will study how to do it. And my second gift, here it is. The medium one. After the small, there's a medium gift. So the medium one, this is also from Dola Mall, here in Cambodia. So Dola Mall. So let's open it. So again, guys, this is a birthday gift from my sister. Wow, so hard to open this. It is so good, is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. Oh my god. It is so nice. So this is the portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. So this is a blender, a very cute blender. Maybe you can carry this blender anywhere you want. Anywhere is it going to? You will go to the office, going to travel. You have this blender anywhere and anytime. You can blend fruits. You can blend vegetables and anything you want to. So wow, it's so nice. So this is the brand is Boxy. Item number Boxy. So made from China. Portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. Wow. I so love it. I just can't hide it. Oh, the color is, here it is guys, let's open it. So here it is. Oh my god, it is so nice. Oh wow. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is my dream before to have this kind of blender. And actually, last year I am looking for this, but it is not available in the store here in Cambodia. One of the stores here in Cambodia, it's not available. It's over. What do you mean? It's So it's not available here in the one of the nearest mall here in our house. It is not available. I don't know why, because it is all of this that store are sold. So I got it now. The color is green. Why so green? So here it is. Oh my god, let's open it. Oh, so cute. Blender. I'm so excited to open the big bags. Wow, so nice. And this is not, this one here is so this one here is not a plastic. This is a glass. Because we also have a big blender. It is a plastic, but it is not a glass. So this is a glass. I think this a glass blender is a very good for me. Oh my god, it's functioning now. Wait, it's on. It's started off. Oh my god. Oh, this is how you do it. You just press twice and it will function now. I will try this later. Oh my god, it's so nice and so cute. So anywhere you will go, you can bring this one because this is this one is you can carry this because this is a small thing. You can just, this is just like a tumbler, a water tumbler. Yeah, see, oh my god, I love this one. Oh my god, I have it now. And the next gift. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open the big bags. Big bags. The big box. The big box. Yes. I have now a blender. A portable blender. You can bring it wherever you want. Wherever you can. Oh my god, it's so nice. I can blend anything now. Just one click, blend it. So let's open the big bags. I think I need a big space, so I'll just remove these two gifts first. Put it down. So this is, oh my god, what is that? So this is the big bags. Big bags. My big gifts. My big gifts. Here it is. Oh my god. Charan, 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 charan. Let's open this. I can see here a drawing. So I can see here a drawing here. So it is a table. A table. Okay, let's open it. And I think I need a cutter to open this one. Wait. And I am getting a knife to open this one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Shut up. Oh my god. This is a table. A big table. The blender, I like the blender, so cute. I feel so happy. Oh my god, it's a table. Table, table. Here it is, a table. Oh my god, it's so big. Just wait a minute. So, it's a table, guys. It's a big table. See, I can assemble this one. Assemble this one. Oh my god, what happens to do this? It's a big table. Yeah. And it just allows something like this. And also something like this. And like this. And it is like this. So I think, guys, I need to assemble this one first. Maybe I can assemble this one now. So this is my gift, guys. Maybe this is a laptop table for my laptop. So it's gonna be like this. So I'll show you. It's gonna be like this. Oh my god. It's gonna go like this, guys. Oops. Oops. Yeah, can you see that? It's gonna be like this one. So maybe I need a time a time to assemble this one. This is too big. And it has oh my god, a rosca. So I need to assemble this one. Okay. So guys, that's all my gift for my birthday this year. So I received a selfie light for my cell phone, and also a tumbler and a big table for my laptop. So 3 gifts for my sister. So that's it, guys. Oh, I love my gifts now. Well, that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my other social media accounts. Here it is. So guys, please don't forget to follow it, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and be safe, everyone. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Bye-bye. So I need a time to assemble this one. Oh my god.